The following is an energetic transmission from our Pleiadian star mothers. This is the first channeled message for 2024, conveyed to Orbel Joy Divine. As always, take only what resonates with you, and leave the rest behind. Start of transmission.
Greetings, my children. We are in awe of you, just as many of you are in awe of us and other star beings from higher realms of existence. We ask that you focus on the Creator inside you. Let this be your point of attraction for this year of 2024. Focus on the quality and the strengths of the God inside you and ask yourself how you may express those God-Goddess qualities on a daily basis. 2024 is the year you'll be given more of the energies and support you need. There is no failure. However, without your effort in this endeavor, nothing of value can happen. So begin asking yourself, your divine self, show me how I can express more of my divine qualities that's already available inside me. Show me and tell me. I'm listening. Your earnest and purest of intentions to receive the answers will manifest. Connect, commune, fall in love, be in awe with your divine self is the way to live more from your heart each day. And you'll see yourself changing rapidly. This not only helps your evolution, but also that of humanity, the earth and the universe, your greater home. See yourself as an active participant, a thread, if you will, in the fabric of creation. How you live your life each day has impact on the entire fabric of creation. Every single thread plays an important role in coming together as a whole, a collective, interweaving, accepting, uniting, expressing your divinity in joy, love, peace, beauty, and harmony. We see each of you as your divine self. Strong, resilient, wise, loving, beautiful, and all the attributes of your God-Goddess self. We are in awe of you, and we have high expectations of what you will create and accomplish, individually and collectively, for yourself, humanity, and the planet in your year of 2024. Go within, and express your true self. We are your Pleiadian star mothers. We bid you farewell for now.
End of transmission.